Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve this puzzle. So let's start with the today's video. So 25 plus 15 is equals to 35, 45 plus 25 is equals to 16 and 65 plus 35 is 85 and we have to find the value when 75 plus 15 is 1. So when we add 25 plus 15 we get 40. And when we add 45 and 25, we get 70. Similarly, 65 plus 35 is 100. And 75 plus 15 is 90. But they have given us 35. So 45 minus 5 is 35. That means they are subtracting 5 from it. And here 70, here they subtracted 10. Similarly, here they subtracted 15. So what we can see that here they subtracted the table of 5, multiple of 5, 5, 10, 15. So the next one is 20. So 90 minus 20 is 70. So the value of question mark is 70. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.